And they're off. Okay. Put it off. Hey, Carol, wait your turn. Come on now.
So you can see that I got the horse that hates to follow anybody else. As you can see, we're moving up from the outside, a little bit like the Kentucky Derby. We've managed to pass 3 or 4 horses before we've even got out of sight of the barn. And from there, it's just a matter of time till we're right up next to the bulls. Hey Miles.
Which one?
What are we doing out here?
Oh, we're having fun. Trying to round up lunch.
Are you learning anything?
I've learned how to take pictures from horseback. Cameras everywhere. Alright. This is a challenge course called one hand rodeo. One hand on the camera.
And what's the new Mexican word for the morning? Oh!
Buen día. Oh!
Hey.
Allá vale, adelante. Adelante, dale. Ahí está, como.